No, it was not Peter Johnston. Peter wrote, I think Jerry Gaddis's original Greenhulk was an STXR if memory serves right. No, it was a 2004 RXP 215. That was the Greenhulk that was his two boys named. And Greg is now effectively taking over Greenhulk. He's not so much over the moderation of the forum, but he is doing all of the custom customer builds, doing stuff for customers, as well as the YouTube channel. And he's also doing a lot of product testing, which is resulting in thread posts that, hey, we checked out this, this new part from Riva. Here's our before and after. There's the results. So they're still testing parts and product.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.